Hey, smash burger tacos is the rage these days on the Blackstone community. I'm gonna take it one step farther. We're gonna do some breakfast items with this big craze. Hey, you won't wanna miss it. Let's get started, y'all. All right, breakfast smash burger tacos. We wanna get some sausage ready. This is some Nisi sausage. This is local North Carolina sausage from Greensboro. And we're just gonna take and make about a 2.5, 3 ounce ball of this sausage. All right, guys, we got our sausage. We got them all rolled in balls. Now, it's time to put them on the griddle. Time to smash them. Let's go. All right, guys, let's get to smashing. We're gonna put our sausage balls down on the griddle. I got this thing pre-warmed on high heat. All right, now we're gonna lay our tortillas on top of our sausage balls, and we're gonna smash it like this thing owes us money. Get them nice and flat, just like this. This Blackstone smasher makes really good work of this. All right, now once you got all those smashed, now we're gonna do some eggs, y'all. And I'm just gonna make a little bit of like a runny egg, except for this first one, I busted the yolk. So it's not gonna be, sorry about that. We'll just give that to the person you don't like of the family, okay? Once you get all your eggs, we're gonna come in with a little bit of this lumberjack seasoning from Blackstone. All right, now we're gonna flip these dudes, go to this other side. This other side don't need a whole lot of time here, y'all. And while we're doing that, we're gonna put our cheese on it too. This is just sliced American cheese. Do whatever cheese that makes you happy, y'all. Now, after about a couple minutes on this second side, it doesn't need a whole lot. You don't wanna get that bottom side really crispy. These things are done. We're gonna put these over on our cutting board. It's gonna be ready for our eggs. Last but not least here, y'all, we're gonna add a little bit of hot sauce to this. Just use your favorite, and there you have it. Breakfast smash burger tacos. Dang it, boy. Ooh, doggies. Look at that. Let's give these puppies a try, y'all. Oh. Good night in the morning. Woo-hoo! Son, this might be better than the dang hamburger. Let me get another bite. Golly. Dang. Boy, that slaps. Y'all, I'm gonna have to take a moment. I'm gonna need a little bit of cheer wine for this one. Ah, dang it, boys and girls. These smash burger breakfast tacos, these things slap. You need to make them tomorrow, maybe even tonight, and have it for dinner, okay? Promise you, you will not be disappointed.